New Hampshire highway closed for hours after crash leaves logging truck hanging over wall. WFXT. A logging truck flipped over in a crash that left its trailer hanging over a wall on a highway in Hampshire on Friday morning. Below are your comments. They say near exit 6, but that's clearly the southbound off-ramp of exit 5, Granite Street. I imagine that Peterbilt had a brown spot on the seat caused by the sedan driver making an unsafe maneuver in front of the truck. It seems there are a lot of drivers out there that don't know how to drive. A good supply of spare parts. Sad but hardly newsworthy. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.